Running too many ads can hurt your performance. For this reason, Facebook is implementing Facebook ad limits per page on ads running or in review. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to be alerted when my next video goes live. All right, so back in November of last year, Facebook announced some coming limits on how many ads a business page can run at a given time. Now they've officially kind of outlined the new regulations and how they will apply. So basically, there's going to be 4 tiers of advertiser categories that will define, how many ads you can run concurrently. And what Facebook is saying is this is going to help maximize ad performance. And they specifically saying, and I'll read it here, when an advertiser runs too many ads at once, each ad delivers less often. This means that fewer ads exit the learning phase and more budget is spent before the delivery system can optimize performance. So let me show you what this looks like in the Ads Manager, what you'll see. So I have a client here whose page has exceeded the ad limit. And again, these changes go into place on February 16th, 2021. So you can see and review how ad volume affects performance by clicking on this link here. So on the right-hand side here, you can see what the Facebook ad limits per page are and a description of everything. Again, everything goes into place, start taking effect on February 16th, 2021. And it tells you, what is your limit based on your advertiser size. So small to medium-sized pages, 250 ads, medium to large size pages, 1,000 ads, larger pages, 5,000 ads, and the largest pages, 20,000 ads. And so I can also review the ad volume of this account by clicking on this button. It'll take me to, a report of, all of the ads that I'm running, as well as, the number of campaigns that I have running. The other thing here on the right-hand side, if you're managing multiple pages, you can see, where you are in terms of your ad limits per page. So if I click on this link here that says ad limits per page, if I open that up, it's going to show me all the pages that I manage and where I'm at in terms of ad limits. So a couple of key points to remember, as this goes into effect. The reason why Facebook is putting in these Facebook ad limits per page is because running too many ads at once can hurt performance. And generally when, a page has a lot of ads running at the same time, fewer of those ads actually exit the learning phase and more budget is spent, before the system can actually optimize performance. Again, this will go into effect on February 16th, 2021. You will see, if you are over the limit, you will see the red box above your ad account letting you know that you're over the Facebook ad limits. So I hope this video was helpful and valuable. If it was, definitely let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when my next video goes live. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.